How y'all doing? Oh shit. Oh crap. I gotta close this out. I didn't mean to do that. That's way over what I need. Um, so sometimes you just got to close it out. I'm way over. Hey, how are you? Yeah, I'm way over my profit target on NQ. Oopsie. That should be fine, but we'll figure it out. Oh well, whatever. It happens. Shit happens, right? But yeah, that account is locked. We're good with that one. That's a good one. Ah, God dang it. Good morning. I hope you guys caught that quick NQ pop. Shoot. Let's fire up our Discord and hang out with these guys. So embarrassed, are you? Oh my God. It's wild, bro. Money time. Mm. I don't even know. What's up, Jose? What's up, Jazz? How are you? Let's get some music going on. Yeah. And can you guys let me know if it's like way too loud as well? Yeah. Let's go for the vibey music. What up, Sword? How are you? How are you guys? All right, we did a quick pop on that NQ pop, so we are golden. We locked the NQ trade already. So yeah, that's good. I'm good with that. Very good with that. Oh man, that's nutty. I feel like everything's like rushed this morning. And I don't mean it to be rushed. You know? What up, Brody? Good morning, sir. Hey, did you catch that NQ pop? I hope you caught that too. Cause that's yeah. I took my eyes off of it for like 2 seconds. I wanted to close it at like 400 profit. I think shot over to like 11. Let's say 1,000, which is good realistically. But then, what? Okay, hold on. Let me turn down. It's too loud. That's crazy. I don't even hear it in my ear. Okay, is it any better? Sorry about that, guys. Way better? Nothing? Can you hear me now? Wait, you can hear me now, right? We're gonna do a Brody check, Brody sound check. So tell me when it's good. The music? I don't even have the music up on. Really? What about now? There should be anything, right? Because that'll be impossible if you can hear music. What the? How you gonna leave, bro? Yeah. Is it any better? That's weird, bro. All right, cool. Thank you. Yeah. Really? That's wild. That's really wild. At least you can hear me now. It's good. Is the music completely gone then? There's that short. So you guys, oh, so we had a hard time with 456 for Tesla yesterday. And I was saying like if it's under 456, no go. No go. Nvidia, I'm gonna trim Nvidia from yesterday. It's at 30%. That's money, so I'm gonna cash out on that. It's about $100 up per contract right there, so take it. Let's do a mid. There we go. There we go. Cupcake, how are you? Good morning. Good morning. Okay, we're trimming everything. Well, all our good stuff. RDW is about 20% up. Nvidia is holding up. I run our size, so I trim at 20% already. Oh, 30%. I lied, sorry. Tesla's a short. Stay out of Tesla. Marvell, MRVL. We picked it up yesterday too. Really? It's loud? What the? That's weird. Okay. Because I can't even hear it in my ear. Okay, is it any better? Sorry about that. Way better. Is that better? Music wise. Cupcake. So for that paper trade that you took, Marvell, you should be green, right? You took Marvell. What up, Russ? Bino. Is that right? Bino. Marvell is good. We're chilling at 10%. USO, we're at 10%. RDW is at 18%. Nvidia is at 25%. Those are on. I'd already trim at 30%. Those DNN, these guys right here that we picked up the other day, I kind of want to keep holding them because I feel like, yeah, you do. Just rename it Vino. I feel like this name right here, Vino, check out DNN. Um, I don't know. I feel like it's like waiting for a pop. I don't want to get out. And then I'm like, oh, cool. It just went up like $1,000. Realistic, not $1,000, but I'm just saying. Okay, here's the NVIDIA pullback. So I told the group that NVIDIA, if it pops through a pre-market high, which is at 189.40, wait for a pullback because that's the breakout pre-market. Wait for a pullback. So it's pulling back right now to that level. If we can hold that level, take calls. So NVIDIA had their keynote yesterday at CES. I thought it was cool. Bunch of robots. AI. I love AI. But y'all awesome. Thanks for the likes already. Appreciate that. I'm gonna do a quick check. FYI, if the sound goes off, like gets louder, I apologize in advance. Because I can't even hear music anymore. DNN? Yeah, I figured. Do you guys hear any music at all right now? Any music? Patrick, do you hear music? Is it low or is it getting higher? No music? Okay, cool. I'm figuring out. So my mix, I got a new mixer. I can hear music now on my side, but you can't hear music. That means I can. Now you should. Yeah, just a little bit. Or is that too loud? I went up 1%. 1% for you, Brody. If you tell me it's fucking loud, I swear to God, dude. But Patrick, I have YouTube up, so you can use that one too if you need to. Because I know you like to hop back and forth. Oh, interesting. Okay, let's keep NVIDIA up because I want to get more. Let's keep Meta on here. I don't need fair value gap for these names. Let's turn these babies off for now because we're not trading fair value gaps on these guys. We don't care. We don't care. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Mr. Hawk, how are you, sir? How are you? Okay, Marvel is making a move. Vino. Marvel is making a move. Cupcake, your paper trading should be green on that one. I'm gonna pin this message. Let's wait for the best trade to come to us. Don't chase, drop, ticker, and I'll give you levels. Spin that. There's an NVIDIA pullback. See that? So it's exactly how I planned it. Well, you can never guess it's right? But NVIDIA did that pullback. Hopefully someone read notes in the group, because I said watch NVIDIA pullback and break pre-market high. So it's doing that right now. Now for an entry, we want it to retest. We want to see this retest for NVIDIA. That's Gucci. It's exactly what it works. When it works, it works. There's NVIDIA. Pop. That worked out well. Okay, NVIDIA is good. What else do we have on the chart? I want to pull up. What else do you guys see? Vino, do you see anything else? Marvell is green for us. Is that 15%? Oh, Pill is trading. Jesus Christ, man. Forever. Bum, 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 bum. Cool. We're gonna have a trend day, hopefully. All right, guys, everything's pushing out. So draw your level, your pre-market orb high. Check previous day as well, and use those levels for re-entries. Yeah. I'm gonna start trimming Marvell. I'm gonna trim Marvell. Should I? Yep, exactly. NVIDIA, we are good on NVIDIA swings. It's about 35% for us right now. We're over $100. Vino, good win on that one. I'll take that money any day of the week. And of course, MU is crushing it. Jesus Christ, look at MU. Hey, this was a perfect little call out for anyone that like rolled along. This right here. That was a gift. MU pull back to 276, take calls. If you took that play, you're rich right now. You're welcome. You gotta eat more, Bino? What do you gotta eat? Like take profit better or what? You've been taking profits better than I am. Crushing it, dude. Hawk, how you doing? Doesn't it look so good? Doesn't that shit look so good? That looks amazing. That's wild, baby. Hey. Yeah, we're good. I don't even know what to look at right now. I just think I need more coffee, to be honest with you. Hey, Brody, share this. Can you share this stream? Vinyl, Hawk, just press share to your thousands of followers and friends on TikTok. Share it. How you doing, T? Let me see if I can have this screen pulled up. I thought I made this screen the other day, so you can actually see what I see on this side of town. What are we trading right now? I'm too I'm watching. What does that mean, Vinyl? What slang term is that? Like, too uncle? Isn't that unk? It looks like an arrow. It looks like a triangle, right? I think. Dude, we're just chilling right now. Vinyl, check out. We're gonna pull up Woo Tang. W the fuck? W. This flow came in like months ago. Let's see if it's gonna make a move yet. So Liquid, one of our top trader, Vinyl, he likes to find these tickers. He is one of those tight squeezer, I call him. I hope he's listening to this stream. Yeah. He's a tight squeezer. So we look for consolidation and it pops a neckline, we take it. I would say this is a neckline. Good morning, y'all. Yeah, Nvidia's flying. Just I have runners. Just leave the runners. Leave it but in. What do you call it? Leave it but in stop loss green. Nvidia is at 45% for me, so we'll Gucci. So I'm gonna set a trailing stop loss, take profit. What do you think is gonna hit? NVIDIA had news. Everything is good. Hell yeah, dude. For liability reasons, because you know, I don't want people to do copy trading. I want you guys to learn what I see, what we see, and then take it on your own risk. Exactly that, brother. Because Aiden, you could be like, you know, a lawyer or someone important. I'm pretty sure you're important, right? And you're like, hey, this guy Tree told me to buy it. I'm like, no, I didn't. Yeah, I'm gonna check it. We're gonna check out Woo Bino. I like this play. Liquid is on something. Dude, everyone's hitting this morning. Yeah, ask a question, bro. Thank you for dropping in. Follow me. I'm on here every morning for like the next 2 hours, and I can help out as much as possible. The guys in here, yeah, thanks for the follow, brother. The guys in here are in the Discord as well, so feel free to ask. If I can't answer it, I'm pretty sure one of these guys can jump in and help me answer. But yeah, ask questions, dude. I'll do my best. And also, I'm not like a pro, but I do know a couple of things, you know, to make a good steady income from this. All you need. Okay, I'm gonna set the NVIDIA runners limit at like $10 each for fun. Let's see if it hits. I'll stop loss it in to that right now. It's almost at $5 from our 320. You know, I'll just set it in $4, 420. It's a good number to set. So I'll stop loss at 420, and I'll set limit at 10 to reach. We're at 5 right now. Who knows? It had news. I called it. I'm like, you get a pullback this morning, NVIDIA, you take it. Yeah, man, learn a lot. Aiden, I'm gonna follow you as a friend as well, so feel free to DM me as well. I can help you out with questions and whatnot. But yeah, I'm gonna put Woo on deck. I want to see if we can catch this right before it leaves. Here's the neckline, 954. I think we can take a small. Hey, let's take a small bid right now. Contract dates are the 16th and the 20th. 16th, January 16th and February 20th. They're both cheap. I'm gonna do in the money. Do you want to do February 20th? Fuck. I don't even know what to take. Why don't tell me what you take for Woo? What you see? It's good on your Gex. I'm pretty sure Liquid took shares. And also, I gotta go on a meeting call right now. I'll be on stream. I'll look at your questions and then I'll answer. But I just gotta switch over quickly and just mute you guys. But I'm here, okay? I am here. All right, team. Wake up. What did I miss? Sorry about that. Thanks for heading in there. All right, let me turn the music down. Let's get this. You locked in, Vino? Too easy to be locked in. So I bought Woo, W-U, and then I picked up. That's it, right? Yeah, I took profit on BWXT. That was an easy lock. Vinyl super duper fly. Super. Are you trading today? What is up, Vinyl? What are we buying? Actually, I'm pretty good on the day so far. I locked in a bunch of profit. Brody Silver's making a pop. GEV's being a little bitch. RDW is gonna run. W. What up, Carlos? How are you, man? Sorry, I'm back. I was like on a call for the longest time. I apologize, everyone. Let me get rid of that. Apologize. But I am here. Are you talking about like, oh, you're saying oh, or you're like saying lemonade is gonna run for us? Bro, it's almost 8 o'clock. It's wild. My meeting took for fucking ever. All right, honestly, I need GEV to hold the 671 level, 670. If this bitch closes underneath 668, I'm out, bro. Bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye. Oh, I need to pick up CRISPR. Pill wanted weekly, 62 and a half. I gotta scroll up. You guys did a lot of talking. A lot of talking. Amazon, STS, CRISPR, punching balls. 62 calls, right? 62. We got Amazon on deck. Amazon. Whoa. What up, mommy? How are you? I didn't expect Amazon to do that, but CRISPR is flagging. I'm gonna buy CRISPR quickly. Uno mas. I'm gonna do January 16th. Let's do closer to money. Let's do $60 calls for CRISPR for next week. They're $265 each. They're $230 each. $235, $240. Let's pick up. They're $230 each. Let's pick up. How much money do I want to spend on this buy? 4. Let's do $1,000 on this trade. I'm gonna pick up CRISPR, okay, guys? I'm gonna try to fill that 230. It's probably not gonna fill. 235 will fill for sure. Yep. So I bought CRISPR. Amazon. I'm not chasing that. How do you spell CRISPR? Crisp. So I just bought this one, guys. Let's zoom in for my homies that are blind. So we got. Actually, I'll do the Discord at the same time so you guys can see what I'm typing. CRSP, crisp. We took, what did we just take? My Adderall didn't kick in yet. What the fuck did we just say? Oh, it didn't fill yet? It's moving without me. Hold on. Okay, it filled. 235 each. Cool. What a dummy. 60 calls. January 16th. Vino. Are you in this one? Pretty sure Pill is. We could have gotten like the end of the month for 62 calls, but I got closer to the money. Yeah, I'm pretty much at the money, guys. I don't need that. Delete that. How's the market today? It's looking good. Good move this morning. Great move this morning. So we crushed the BWXT trade. My runners are 26%. Yeah, we crushed that one. RDW up 30%. That reminds me, I do have to trim. I didn't take any off the board yet. I'll take that 30% all day long. We picked up I picked up WU based on the chart. I just picked up CRISPR. Did I send that shit yet? My bad. It's not a neckline break. What does this look? It is a neckline break. Curl up. 4 hour neckline. Curl up. That looks good. Carlos, how are you trading today, man? Yep. Send that. That looks good. I say don't cut. You always have a thesis on a cut. For this one, we would cut. To be honest. I guess you can cut below 858 for risk management. I'm going to call it soft cut. Lemonade. Wino, are you in lemonade? Okay, we got that catch. Damn, we're almost at 10,000 likes. You're all the best. Hey, Carlos, do me a big one. Share the stream. I want to get as many followers as possible in a week. Going for a record. Phone was dead. You guys got to charge your phone. Actually, if you're trading on a phone all the time, bye-bye. My phone's always like 21% by 10 a.m. So I get you. Pretty sure. I saw Tristan walk in earlier. I know that boy's awake. Oh, okay. I see you. Vino. I know, I'm looking at bye-bye right now. So we're trying to reclaim 113 is curling up. RSI is curling up. Average is curling up. We got a hard cap at, we got resistance at 6, let's say 620, 618. All right, we're swinging this out. I think we got to buy a date for this. We got to get time for this. How much are Feb 20th? They're hella cheap too. What are the guys saying in chat? Silver has golden sweep, Brody. SOV 72 for what? For next week? Holy shit. That's a fat play. I think for bye bye, yeah, it's just so cheap. What do you, what the fuck am I saying? What do you see on Gex for this chart? Vinyl. I'm not gonna jump in yet. I have this on board. I want to pull up this one that Liquid just brought up. Is it Rubric? I believe Rubric had good news. Had news coming in recently. Okay, it's pulling back. So they're selling the news. I like that. Okay, Gamma Room. I'm looking. Is this one? Or this one? Mm-hmm. Are we targeting 650? 1.9 for 650. 116 for 7. Okay, it's gonna get pulled to that 650 first. I want to buy time. Cool. I like it. I like it. Thank you, brother. Vinyl. I gotta upgrade your. You're a show now. What's up, Jason? How are you, man? Okay, I gotta buy bye first. I'm gonna get bye in at the money. I'm gonna pick up the $6 calls right now for the February 20th. And the boys are awake. They're about to start fighting. I hear them. Oh, they're already crying. Jesus Christ. Hunter, you okay, baby? Oh, God. Boys are what crying. 65 to 123. I picked up one $6 calls for February 20th right now. I'm looking at the 7-minute candle for me. Okay. Vinyl, hold the fort down. I just saw something else that looked really good. Did someone just scream something? I'm coming, baby. Oh, it's a Vubrick. Man, these boys are nuts. Be like, what's up, chat? Hunter's in the house. Okay. You ready to learn stock? You pick for me, okay? Look, Uncle Vino just say, what's up? What's up, kiddo? Teach him young, right? It's easy. I just tell him, like, do I buy this or no? Yes or no? So, Hunter, right here. I already bought bye. So that's a bad one to like sample out. Let's check flow. Let's check flow. These boys are nuts. I love these boys so much. The future interest lockup yet? NQ. Actually, let's go on a 30-minute interval and see if anything's popping. Oh, Vino, ping me in chat to share with you guys the link for this my watch list. I have everything in sectors. So this is a post I made on TikTok. Like if you guys don't have a watch list, you should. Because I use my watch list like after hours when the market closes and see what popped off or which held. And then pre-market and then midday to see what's the mover. And I can share this list to pretty much anyone that asks. If you're on TikTok, just make sure you DM me and ping me or something. Whatever you call it. I got you. So the Mag 7, they're red. Amazon's up. What up, JV? R? Neo. Blockchain sector is red. Financials, financials, whatever. Energy should be green. Airline should be green. Dallas. United Airlines at 3% up. Set an alert for the level 120 for this guy right here, UAL. So when I'm scanning watch list, I'll give you guys a little tidbit. When I'm scanning my watch list, I look for rounded numbers, meaning that prices like to go to rounded numbers, like levels, right? So it's currently at 118. Let's open this up. Bum, bum, bum. So my initial, oh, okay. All right. So we're gonna draw a previous weekly high, which is this guy. So this is the pullback you want to check for and wait for if you want to enter United Airlines. So I have a line there. That's on the daily, 4 hours. Yep. I'm just gonna put in, let's do it on the 15 minutes alert. Add horizontal ray alert, crossing up or down. What's your CRISPR average got you? I bought mine at 235 each. They're like down 2%. I mean 5%. They're like 222 right now. Not bad. So I'm swinging those out. They're like for, what is that? For next week, right? January 16th. Yeah. So again, for my trades, I don't close out things right away. If I buy it, the only thing I would close out same day is like SPX or something. If I'm doing a same day expiration, but most of the time I'm swinging everything on a pullback. But yeah, United Airline, if you guys want to answer this one, I would say wait for a pullback to this line. And then it's going to test that 120. Now let's go to the 4 hours and see what the fib could look like. Potential levels that it's going to hit. So this was the last impulse. Low, high, swing low, low, high. So it's clearing levels, right? We got cleared at 382. That's at 118. Next big resistance should be around around the 50-cent mark. And then I expect a pullback, a bigger pullback here at this level at 119. Let's do a little fun charting with you guys here for UAL. So you know my way of looking for stuff on the charts. Yeah, I expect this to look like, where's my arrow? Hi, Tristan. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. I know, it's gonna rain like all the time now in California. Something like that. Hold on, let me get this bigger so people can see. Bum, 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 bum. 50, 382. 618. Golden zone. So this should bring a major pullback. If it's strong enough, it'll bounce off the 50 and continue to break through the golden zone. That's the continuation for this move. I'll make it green. What up, Pablo? How are you? But I'm hoping it will just do this. I want it to retest this neckline level before we go up that way. Let me draw this one red. And I will enter here. Realistically, break the neckline, come back up, do a little shimmy retest of this level, then I'll continue up. Woo, average, bro. Sorry I missed that. You trying to get in woo too? So I got the May 16th or May 15th. Sorry, May 15th expiration, the $10 calls. They're 55 cents each. Yep, that was for woo. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. Cupcake, how are you doing? Are you paper trading? What paper trade are you taking with me? Vino, here's your pullback on bye-bye. I should have waited for you. I should have waited with you and I pulled back. That was my fault. Dummy. Dummy. Oh, what are you working? Yeah, drive safely, man. Yeah, don't trade when you're driving. I don't recommend. And definitely don't recommend trading SPX and driving. Same day expiration. I've done it. It's wild. Don't do it. What's up, Greg? How are you? Trading's good today, Cupcake. We closed out a lot of swings. Really good swings. Everything were over 30% profit. I have mostly runners left on all of them. BWXTs is runners, which reminds me, I gotta set this one to stop loss and profit for the runner, just in case we get like a dumb pullback. I know, Vino. You gotta tell me better next time. That's my fault. I'll be like, hey, wait for the candle to close. You dummy. Okay, so this is what I mean by when I set my stop loss green. Oh, don't. Maybe you're tap on your lip. Owie, that. Oh, you're gonna bleed, dude. So my limit will be for Funzy. Let's set it at like 15 because you never know. Like it does a random pop and it fills. But my average ticket for this one was average contract was 477. I'll set this one like 550. They're currently worth $6 and $615 right now. But you know, I'll just move it up to like 5. Too close. Let's do 570. But yeah, this is how I do my stop loss trail. And you just move it up manually. RDW. Do we have room for RDW? Is it just consolidating? Yep. We're chilling. So we have resistance here at the 200. This is a 200 SMA right here, the dotted white line for me on a daily. So yeah, expected. It'll be more fun once we clear this level here, 1135. Then we have a box to fill. Hi, Tristan. You're sick? Don't be coughing on me then, bro. I'm sorry. Drink some water. We want to fill this box. We want $13. Let's say $14, right? Vinyl, we doing 0-day SPY? SPX 691472. What is this Gex thing that CC brought for us? Check it out. SPX. Hunter, can you go pee, baby? Get ready for breakfast. Are we doing SPX fun? I saved some money for SPX fun, dude. You know me, my SPX calls. So we're doing SPY or SPX or the same. $69.34. SPX spot at 69. Let me blow this up so I can see exactly what the hell you guys talking about. $69.30. $69.30 is a Gex. Looks like $69.25. If we go under, we got pulled. We're getting pulled towards 6,900, obviously. So this move out of 69.14 should be more violent, right? Yeah. Okay. Yep. We're gonna wait until 11:30. Maybe we'll hop out back on. We'll do like a live one. See if we can catch a fish at 11:30 a.m. What up, Shayan? Shayan, how are you? Should we do it? Should we do an SPX live trade at 11:30 a.m. right before power hour? That's my favorite time to get SPX, to be honest with you. 11:30 a.m. But since I'm looking at this, let's go fishing. Okay, fast fingers, okay? 3 minutes. All right, boys, I'm gonna Vinyl, SPX. What time is it? Right before lunch? East Coast lunch? Okay, we'll do this. We'll do this. We'll do this. Let it break 69.20, 69.18. Probably get rejected at 69.19. I want to see this happen. Here. 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 That's the look we're going for. I want this pullback to answer. I'm going to do an SPX final. We do trade options and futures. What up, DXT? How are you? TX, sorry. DTX, all right. This is way too fast. I can't type it out for the group. So we'll just do it live right now. Let's see if I can catch a quick one. Yeah. All right, let's see if we can catch a fast one, okay? All right, here it is. The look. No entry yet. We're looking. Okay, here's the break. VWAP rejected right here. If it's get rejected, if it's not, then we're pushing out. So the other move would be, could be this. So we're gonna wait for this line then. This pullback. 69.30 calls. 69.30 calls. 69.30 calls. So $2 each right now. 69.230 each. I'm gonna do a mid. I want this pullback right here. Pulling back a little bit more. I'm in 225 each. I got 2 contracts right now. Let's see if my math is right. Let's see if we can hit this, Carlos. Cupcake. Are you listening? You're probably driving. Don't look. Pull back. We need this level to hold. The other way is bump. We got this little move. Hit where it's going. come back down to this level, and then we want to break through. I'll draw the opposite way too, because, you know, variations. So right now that's working out. Yep, there it is. So 6-9, this is the level then. Make this bigger. Make this green. So this is what it gave. I'm gonna draw everything out for you guys. So this is the bearish way. I'll make this green or pink. Wait, that was way too close. The other one, yellow, blue. Yeah, there we go. Damn, Carlos. I don't know. We gave 3 paths right here, so you get a fat discount right now. You get SPX. Mine was $2.25 each. They're $1.60 right now. $1.60. What just happened? My Weeble just crash, bro. Do not do that right now. Oh my god. Where'd it go? It's nice. Let's see, Carlos. I hope you got like 1 contract because SPX is no joke. What up, Dad? Come on, can we make this move before 8:30? Ooh. You got a nice discount, sir. You know what? Fuck it. They're 150, 160. Did you hear that? Don't ever average down, guys, but I just bought 2 more at that level. We need to clear this line. 69th, 18. We're getting pinned right here. We want this path, okay? We want to follow this path. This one. We hate this one. This one is probably likely gonna be that path. We don't want the blue path. What's up, Jason? Yeah, I took lottos. 69.30 calls. Same day. 0-day expiration. My average is 193. They're like 160, 150, 160 right now, so it's not a bad lottos. And of course, lottos means it's strictly with profit money, and you could lose it, 100% lose it. T-Doc. We haven't traded T-Doc for so long, Liquid. Okay, this line's still there. T-Doc. T-Doc. Holy shit. I'm checking T-Doc right now. Dude, Vino, Liquid and I did this trade for T-Doc like months ago. We made really good money on it. Yeah, we went from like 7 to like this guy right here, 9. I was hoping it would like crack $11 for some reason, because it had like really interesting flow coming in around this area, which is like October. Yeah, October 2nd. That's when I saw a flow. Then I followed it. Then we're like, just chill. I bought like 200 contracts. They were super cheap. And that shit popped off. And I'm like, okay, we're rich. Bye. Here you go. SPX making a move. Hopefully follow through. Let's get this Vino. Let's blow this up. Let's see if we can get it, boys. I'm never a wishful thinker, but you know, give us 600% again. 600 plus. There's a blue line, right? So this is, can I move the whole damn thing? How do you just pick it up and move it? Oh, like that. So this is what it did. The current path. So right now it's doing this line, it's doing this. We don't want this move. We want at least the orange line. You want this orange line move. Oh, what up, EJS? Super, are you trading today? You've been very quiet in the chat, my guy, in the group. It is raining, you nuts. You guys ready for breakfast? What are you guys eating? Is the baby awake? Dude, it's 8:30. It's got to make a move. I'm about to hop off, but the calls are in for this one. So I'll be screaming in chat with you guys soon. Hey, Vinyl, will you pull up the 3-minute interval? Because that's what I use as well a lot. It's popping off on an orange line. We got a lot more move to be made. Yeah, I think we're good with the Gex on this SPX move. Well, shouldn't assume that, but just from chart technicals. I am all about trading the lines. What's stinky? Outside? What does it smell like? What does it smell like, buddy? Jason, how are you trading today, man? Chicken good? It's drizzling. Hey, Vinyl, do me solid, man. I need like 500 more likes. Start tapping that finger. I know Carlos' fingers were tired. He's got to scissor people all day. Like, you know, that. Not that scissoring, because that's weird. Use the buddy. If you fall, I swear. 5%? Good enough, man. That's money. 5% of $1,000 on your lottos? Money. Why do you have so many contracts going, man? How many contracts are you buying a day? I limit myself off. Soup of the heart. You brush your teeth yet? You brush your teeth yet? You brush your teeth yet? Mommy asked. Yes or no? Come with you? Okay, hold on. Look, you see that white bar? Yeah. You see that white bar right there, Hunter? We want this bar to go up to 69.30. We want to go to this line. You see that red arrow? That's where we want it. You think we want to get there? Can you tell it to get there? Like this line right here. Oh my gosh, are you tired, little boy? Oh, seven's good. Seven's a good amount of contracts. Different tickers. I'd say 15 tickers today. I'm like, God damn, bro, that's way too many. Start closing up shop. Hunter, don't pick on your lip, buddy. It's gonna bleed. We gotta push through this line, man. The 69.18 line is really annoying. Oh, who's in the bathroom? Is that mommy? Wanna go, mommy? I hear water. Where's the water from? No. No. It's way too choppy right now. We need to push through this lunch break, man. Timmy Turner, how are you? Timmy Turner, how are you? That's a good name. Sounds like a DJ, to be honest. What up, Ha? Ko? Bo? How you doing? What are you thinking here, Vino? They're lotto, so leave them running. They're lotto, so we can just leave them running. Oh, God. Oh, God. This is lagging way too much, Jason. Aren't you glad you took the 5%? I'm gonna let mine run to the end of the day. Spy. Tell me 5 minutes. Are we talking about like 689 exactly, Vino? You know I'm already in. I'm gonna hold no matter what. That's how we got the $1,000 percent hit. Just ball out. 679. 679. Just kidding. Tristan in trouble. He about to be in trouble. Ooh. What is going on? RDW, my guy. Everyone took their profit and didn't go back in. It's crazy. All right. SPX will move. Guaranteed. Let's go brush your teeth. I'm gonna leave this stream up. I'm gonna brush your teeth. Be right back. Let's go brush your teeth. Bring my phone with me. Let's go, dude. All right, how are we doing? Are we winning? Oh my God, Vino. It took the blue arrow. It took the blue arrow. Carlos, watch your port. For me, I'm holding it. If you overspent, take the cut. Hey, buddy. You know what I mean? Hey, food time. Do we have any other news coming out today, Vino? Any data? You cut? 50% loss. Damn it. I want to check out this bounce on the 3 minutes right here. Anoa, what's up, dude? How are you? Welcome back. 3 minute bounce on that 113 line. It's going to hold that 69.14 line. If this curls up, bounce. So this thing is doing this pretty much. So that line doesn't work. That line doesn't work. Right now, we're currently on this blue line. I'll make it red. Let's switch it up. This is the current look. So it's right off that 113 line, Vino, 113. Look at that, 113. So we want to see, we want to see that. So I just want one 113 kiss, and that's all we need. But based on this chart, guys, this is a bullish looking chart for my chart readers. I don't understand. Oh, you okay? I don't understand why these two boys are always fighting and crying out there. Toddlers, man. One 13 bounce. Baby. You gonna give me some baby luck? Are you gonna say SPX to 6950? SPX to 6950? I'm just kidding, guys. Don't ever like it. Assume shit like that. I'll be dumb. Bump, 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 bump. What's up, iBurdick? Hi, how are you? How you doing? Okay, Mason. Okay, Mason. Those contracts are back at 145 each, 150 each. Are you okay, baby? Okay. Okay, take your time. I know. Oh, you okay? You can't just swallow air though, girl. Oh, you okay? Tristan, what happened out there? Why are you guys always fighting? Are we messing around? Tristan, can you put her sock back on for me? Your cost? Yeah. We got this. I believe. Right here, on her foot. It's falling off. Can you just make sure it's lower? How you guys doing? Thanks for joining. This is the Daddy Day Club. Daddy Daycare trading.
Upside down is upside down.
Where we trade with toddlers and babies screaming in the back. And we win. All right, we got a VWAP test right here. Also that 6918 level. So we got two confluence. We got VWAP resistant and that 6918. We clear it with volume and force. Then we good. Carlos, do you still have your contract just in case? They're 182. It's okay, man. That's called risk management. You're not scared. You're just smart. It's called risk management. Hey, are you on Webull, Robinhood, or what are you trading on, Carlos? I can give you a little tidbit if you haven't already. Since I have like 5 people in this room, you're good. I think you should be able to add an EMA line, right? Add for everyone else, Vinyl already has it. For everyone else, add the 113, the 113 EMA. So this is my secret sauce. If you guys make mad money with that line one day, you know, you can always send me a gift on here. Dude, what's taking you so long? Put on a sock. Okay, that's good. That's good, baby. You guys eat your breakfast? What are you guys eating? All right, we gotta. Oh, it's gonna retest the 69 level. Maybe. Maybe we just break this neckline right here. What y'all think? What y'all think? Baby. You're so funny. Here's the retest. Dude, I'm like doing live commentary right now on SPX. Isn't that wild? I should pull up like the footprint of each candle too. We'll break it down by like data. By each cell. You wanna take a break? What's up? You wanna sit up? Wanna burp? What do you wanna do? What do you wanna do, baby? You wanna keep drinking? Okay, you wanna keep drinking. It's so funny. Where would you recommend? So I trade on Carlos. I trade on Webull, so that's my platform. But I do all of my charts on this thing, TradingView TV. But I do want to say that Webull has a way better charting system versus Robinhood. So you switch over, yeah, Webull. You can chart everything off Webull, like the major indicator lines that you need. It's already on Webull. Maybe. Okay. Hang out. Okay, hang out. Yeah, so that way you don't have to like buy a subscription to TV TradingView. But I think they have a what do you call it? A basic account on TV that you can get like 5 indicators. That's all you need. You need the 113 EMA, and I don't care what else other lines you have. Oh, and the 200 EMA and all the other stuff. Get the basic volume, and then that's it really. So those contracts are up at $2. So 69.30 calls are at $2. We need a stronger break. I want to see a lunchtime push from the East Coast folks right here. I don't get in yet, Carlos. It's lunchtime. I would wait for end of day. There's always a trade. Don't worry about chasing. Like if you're thinking about getting back in, probably thinking of chasing. We'll catch another one at end of day. It'll be a lot cheaper too. Like 90 minutes left in the market. We'll try to look for something. But if you absolutely have money that you could potentially lose all, 69.18 level right here. This is where you go enter long. If it holds, take long. If it's under that, it's chop. As you can tell from the chart you're looking at. Hi, baby. Okay. You didn't even burp, homie. You didn't burp yet. Okay. Bro, I don't want 1,000%. I just want like, see, there we go. 69 level. The bitch level right now. And that's why we always say, don't chase. Gotta wait. But yeah, you guys could have trimmed that. It went up to $2 from 150. As you can tell, I didn't trim any because what's up, Chance? I have a baby in my hand, so we'll see how it goes by the end of the day. Hi. She's the new 113 trader. Yeah, Vino. A or BWXT contracts are at 45% still. It looks good. It's moving up to $7 a contract, Vino. Oh yeah. Or Woo contracts, or mine at least. I got in. I don't know if you got in. They're like 5%. Hi, baby. Okay. Oh. Can you finish it, please? Or do you want to burp? You probably want to burp. Carlos, you're a madman. We're in chop right now. Realistically, if I were you, you see, that's chop. You can get chopped off. Premium burn. Wait until end of day. I don't even recommend. If I'm gonna remove these. Actually, we'll get thinner. So I'm gonna leave on a 3-minute interval, but this orange line, that's my 113, right? And you know that this is a level it can hold as well at 69.14. So if 113 and 69.13 confluences, you can take calls right here. No FOMO, bitch. Carlos, don't FOMO. That's how you lose money, man. Don't FOMO. We don't teach that. No FOMO. And I also see a channel developing. But your sock came off, baby. Where's my channel? Lines and channels, brother. If you really want to get in this trade, like be fast, okay? So 69.19 hold on a 3-minute strong candle, like a solid 3-minute candle above the 69.19. That's also above the VWAP right there. Yeah, scalp calls fast. Hi, baby, what's going on? Do you want milk or not? What's wrong? Oh, okay. Okay, I gotta mute myself. Yeah, sorry, baby's crying. Sorry, I had to turn myself down. But yeah, just watch how this play out, Carlos. Watch your candles. That's all it is. Yeah. So we have levels and structures. Exactly what Vinyl said in the chat. Once you guys know your levels and your structure, keep it simple. Like, there's a bunch of streams out there. Other people are like giving you like all these techniques and strategies and all this craziness. I'm like, that's too much. Keep it simple. Trading shouldn't be hard. Yes, you should know like ticker and like know the basic like volume, EMA, SMA, how to do a fib. Once you get those down, that's it. Don't overcomplicate things. I can make it complicated. Like, you're going to, no, you're going to futures room, Ava. It gets really complicated in there. Those guys are nerds. I know, they're straight nerds. I told them that before. They're nerds. I know. Why is this locked? Baby's talking to everyone right now. Yeah, I know. They're straight nerds. I know. So this is what it's doing. Let's see if this thing play out at all. So if we were sticking to the channel, like I expect this to look like, it's gonna stick to the channel. Baby. We're gonna see something like that. Okay. Actually, this might be the look right there. Oh, sorry guys. I feel like everyone's just watching this SPX structure right now. All right, it's lunchtime. So we didn't get the pop. I was hoping to pop by before lunchtime, to be honest with you. How you doing, Derek? Yeah, but now we didn't get that pop. Lunchtime might be a slower move. It's gonna be a burn right here. So Carlos, I hope you didn't FOMO in because none of those candles close above. Close above the 69.18 to solidify the trade. Oh my god, baby. 36%, 250, 260. Trim. Take your profit. I'm taking mine. Trim it, trim it, trim it, trim it. See? Vino, aren't you glad you jumped into the Discord, bro? You're welcome, Vino. And you did it right on time because I blocked everyone out already. You're locking out. Paid only. Structures and levels. That's all you need to know. You read the lines and you react to it. Nothing to it. Once you learn that, you're good. You can watch all those other people on stream talking about nonsense. And I watch all of them. I watch a lot of them too. I'm like, what the f are you talking about? Stop making it complicated. I'm like, you don't need to draw a million boxes on screen. You really don't. All right, they're 285 each. I'm at 50%. Take your profit. Take your profit. Take your profit. I'm gonna leave runners and see how it goes. I want 1,000% from these. All right, let's finish this trade. I'm back. Mama Bear got the baby. So I trimmed that. I trimmed two. I only had 4 contracts. I trimmed 2 at 45%. So I have 2 runners left. FYI. So be careful. Do you guys hear music at all in the background? Just make sure I'm turning my volume up here. I just don't want you guys to like blown out your ears from music. Good. I don't see anything going up at all, so it's not working. Even better. Wasn't that a good trade, guys? Carlos, did you see what we did? Most importantly, did you guys see the trade? What we're talking about? Why we took it? Why we stayed in it? Because it's all about learning and lessons. I just want to make sure you guys saw it too. I don't want you guys to just... Nice. Yeah, because I don't want you guys to be like, oh, he took it, I'm taking it. No, man. I get shit wrong too. Not all trades are perfect. But it can be perfect if it gives me 1,000%. That's the record right now. 11.07% on SPX contract. That is my record. Oops, I didn't want to open that up. Oh, no. Close down. We're not editing right now. Shoot. How you doing, Ray Cruz? Do I own any XRP? I do not. I don't trade any what you call it? Crypto. Right? That's a crypto, right? I'm sorry if I'm like dumb. How are you doing, Cash? I'm reading your thing. Wait for 6918 is getting based on the chart. Yeah, I don't do crypto, my guy. Futures, options. We do a lot of options. Sometimes too much. Are you a crypto guy? And Carlos, 6918. Well, eventually, yeah. If it comes back, thank you, Cash. Yeah, I love to like have you on here all the time too, Cash. Just check out. I'm just talking about and trade. But Carlos, so 6918 is a strong level, so you can expect a a reaction to that level. So you can draw that line, just leave it there, make it yellow or something, or orange, whatever color you want. And then zoom out. So when you zoom out on your chart, check the volume profiles to see the next shelves. Why don't I have any volume profiles at? Okay. It'd be nice if it could show us our volume profile. Guess not. So we're targeting 6930 right now. So that's my first target. Actually, that's the only target I had for this trade, to be honest with you. So if it breaks through this level, Carlos, if it takes 6930 with it, why is this chart retarded? I was on the wrong one, but same thing. We don't need those lines and drawings anymore. So I have shelves, right? So 6930, draw a line there. You're gonna have confluence here. Go back down here, do the 6918. There you go. Now we're gonna be trading in this zone. If it clears this 6925 and holds, we expect 6930 to hit. I shouldn't say expect it to hit, but it's a good chance that will hit, and then we'll get a bigger pullback up here. Right now, if we have strong enough bulls, which crossing my fingers, I'm not gonna say it out loud. We'll push through this level, but for some fun drawing, we can see this. I don't want to see this, to be honest. I don't want to see come back to 6918 to test, because if we see this test again, pretty sure it's gonna come straight through, like straight through, because they were trying here, but I would, if it does bounce or get rejected, this would be nicer, something like that. Ideally. But scenario, we can always draw a scenario out. This. There you go. You play any games or not? I do play games, dude. I play scary games at night. I shouldn't at all. Cash. I play horror games for fun, but I've been playing a lot of what is it? Arc Raiders. Okay, my funded. I'm trying to get this eval and more evals passed. My funded is looking good. This one's good too. We're good. We are good, guys. We're actually flying right now, to be honest with you. Sun's coming out. I'm just listening to you right now, Vino. I have no levels or anything right now. I'm just gonna let it fly. We're just gonna let it fly. Jason, you still in this? Yep, 690. We need this hold. Nya Chang. How are you, Nya Chang? Love that name. That's the town. Dude, I'm way past my 8 o'clock. Perfect. You guys got me to 10K likes. I'm out. Just kidding. But I should go. We are at 80%, 90% on those SPX trade. I'm going to take another one off the board. Skeet. Skeet, skeet, skeet. Oh, baby. That was a good winning trade, huh? Vino. I hope the chat or Discord caught it too. Damn it. They should like be watching. Sorry, I should have so way too damn fast. Super, did you catch that? Oh my god, the boys are going nuts. I do need to go, guys, before they kill me. Yeah, Super caught that too. What's up, baby? Let's go. Yeah, we're good. We're golden. What else do I need to pull up? How's Wu? We got Wu Tang going on. We got that trade. It's doing a little curl. I like to see that. That's high. Nope, that's high. Wu, I am targeting 10. I have May 16th, right? May 15th. We got hella time on this one. We're good. CRISPR is at 198 average right now. We're down like 15%, but that's okay. Got next week. CRISPR is the next watch that we're gonna pay attention to. I'm okay with that pullback, but we killed it. We killed it. There we go. We got 10,000 likes. Appreciate you guys. We hit that SPX trade. That was a killer move. Since we got the same day expiration, it's lunchtime and premium's gonna burn right now. So start trimming, taking profit, getting out. I'm gonna leave runners in profit. Actually, no, I don't care. I'm gonna leave runners. I could lose them completely. I'm okay with that. Yeah, I'm okay losing them. But I want to see these get in the money and get rejected at 69.35. But who knows? It's the market. What up, Mark? How are you? We could have a crazy run up based on one tweet or something. You know how it is. But I gotta go. The sun's out. My camera lighting is way off. And I hate that look. So y'all, I'll catch you later. DM me, ping me, whatever you need to. But good job on the SPX. Trade. Winner. BWXT is at 45%. RDW 15%. Woo is at 6%. Everything else is like 9 to 10% in red. And that's okay. My runner, the Marvell runner is in 35% red, but we took a lot of profit from that this morning already. So I'm way more green than that. So cool. Woo is going to be hit $10. This guy right here. Well, don't chase, don't buy in, but I'm just saying, I just like the way this chart looks. I got those right there. $10 calls May 16th. It filled a box. It's going to cover a box. And yeah. Western Union, baby. That's the chart. Do as you must. Do as you will. Study up. Ping me. You don't have any. If you have any questions or don't understand something, I got you guys. All right. All right. I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning. Actually, I'll be back in like 2 hours. Let's do a power hour trade. We got enough money, right? Oh yeah, I got plenty of cash over. Yeah. And Northam, thank you for the follow. I'll be back in 90 minutes before closing. Let's jump back on final, and then we'll do some live trading. Maybe we'll catch on the SPX trade. All right, Carlos, I'll catch you. Jason, Cupcake, I'll be back. Super, I'll see you in the room. Did I miss anyone? No, we're good. Later, guys. Later, Northam.